so pretty. She's gorgeous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. That's Khrissy with a K. Look, the color is saying it all. The color of this wig, the curls, it's speaking for itself. It is giving the video away. I'm going to show you guys this beautiful 5x5 lace closure wig from Outre. I'm going to show you how I put it on, but she's a look, y'all. She's a vibe. She might sell out. She might. I'm saying you might want to get her before the video ends. I don't know. I'll show you how I put this wig on, give you my final thoughts. And if you're new here, I really do appreciate all the love that you guys have been pouring into this channel. I'm seeing a lot of new people here, so I see y'all. Thank y'all for hitting that subscribe button, and all the people that are not but still coming back, you're gonna come back. So hit the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Let's jump into it. Well, hello there. So today we are talking about this Outre 5x5 lace closure wig. I'm excited, y'all, because I already looked at the color and I already reviewed a few 5x5 lace closure wigs from this collection. And recently I reviewed the Outre 12, I believe it was the 14 inch Yaki bob wig. So y'all check that video out right here. I really did like that one. But today we are talking about this body wave 16-inch wig. I have the color DRFF2 Ruby Rose. So I was really curious about this color because it's on a stock card, and I tell you guys all the time, try colors, and that's why we're here. So are you guys ready? Yes, Miss Ruby. Look at this color. Like, look how vibrant she is on the camera. Yes, this color is really this vibrant. The way the sun is hitting it, but look at this color. Look at this color, y'all. Oh, she's gorgeous. So the closures, I love these closures because they're really easy in putting on your head. You're just going to get this 5x5 lace closure, 5 inches going across and 5 inches going back. You're going to get this elastic band so you can wear it glueless. And I like the caps because they're really stretchy, really stretchy. Let's put her on. So this band, for some people, this band is like too flimsy and it's pointless. For me, because my head is so big, I think it's perfect. It's not too tight. Oh my goodness. I'm giggling because I still get a little like shocked and like, you know, as much as I'm like, try the color, I still challenge myself to try these colors, okay? So this is what it's looking like. The hairline actually looks really good. You can see the wig cap, so that line of demarcation is actually the wig cap. Look how good that hairline looks. Wow, I like that. Okay, Outre. Oh, this is so pretty. So I really like this. Oh, I really like this. So this is the lace going across. I love these closures because, as I mentioned in my other review, it's like the lace goes over the part that covers up the closure, so you can't see that, you know, going down. But this is so pretty. She's gorgeous. I'll play some music and show you guys how I put this one on. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. So I like to always start off using my hot comb. I like to brush the hairs back just so I can see the hairline and exactly what I'm working with. This hairline looked actually really good. You don't even have to do all of this. You don't even have to pluck it. It looks so good, but I like to pluck my wigs just to make it look a little bit more natural. If you notice, I'm not pulling the comb all the way through. Just a reminder, you don't want to lose the curls. You don't want to lose the texture. So now I'm just plucking out some of those baby hairs because I'm gonna go with more of like a natural kind of baby wispy look, and I'm tweezing up the front of the hairline. I'm not tweezing deep into this hair. I'm just kind of breaking up the hairs in the front. I have a whole plucking tutorial. I'll leave it in the cards, but again, you don't need to do much on this wig. This is what it looked like when I was done. It turned out really good and I really liked the results. So now I'm just going to work with those baby hairs again. I'm not doing like a real like hard baby hair thing. I'm doing like these wispy baby hairs. But after I installed it, like these curls kind of got a little lost, so it kind of was pointless. But you know, this is what I thought I needed to do in my head at the moment. Now I'm just trimming down some of those baby hairs. I like to customize my wigs on the mannequin head off my head because I can't see once this wig is on my head. This is what I got after plucking, and now I'm just going to tint the lace with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm just going to put it all around the lace, and these are the final results after I put that powder there. I'm going to trim the lace with my eyebrow razor because you don't get it as, you know, harsh line going across.
fast. It's a little jagged. I'm gonna go in with this Isha melting spray. I've been experimenting with a lot of different melting sprays lately, guys, so you're gonna see a lot of different ones that I'm using on future videos, but this one actually was pretty good. It was pretty sticky and I liked it. Yeah, so it dried really fast and I'm just kind of melting the wig down. You don't even have to do this. You could wear this wig glueless, but if y'all know me, y'all know I like my wigs to look a little bit more melted. Then I'm just applying some more of that melting spray on top of the lace. I like this spray again because it's actually not a harsh residue on, you know, the hair, and it dries pretty fast. So after all of that, I'm gonna go on my melting band just to melt it down some more. So after about 10 minutes and that kind of set and it was dry enough, I'm just gonna go and break up some of that hair. You want to do this with like a fine teeth comb because you don't want the hair to be like all stiff and hard, you know, you want it to be all flowy and look realistic as possible. What I was wiping the hair with also was just a little bit of rubbing alcohol that helps also break up some of that adhesive. I filmed this video a while ago. I tend to do that, film a whole bunch of videos and take forever to edit it. With that said, yes, I am using this Ebin melting spray. I did like it at the time, but you know, all the controversy, we're trying to experiment with more stuff. I have found a new melting spray. It's actually the Kiss melting spray. I have a video probably coming up showing you guys, and I do like it, so I do suggest that one if you're trying to find Ebin alternatives with all the controversy going on. And as a matter of fact, I experimented with a lot of Kiss products recently too. I think I did like a short video coming up too, and I really do like them. I'll leave it all linked below under wig essentials or under like lace sprays or something if you're looking for like alternatives to Ebin. So now I'm just applying like some final touches on the lace because sometimes it's a little white still. I'm using this Ruby Kisses cream foundation. I really do like this to apply those final touches. This is a darker shade that I'm using because it helps with like that light cast that you might see. Now I'm going back in and I don't know what I was doing with these baby hairs. I was trying to make it look some natural, wispy. Girl, do what you want to do with your wig in your life. I'm just playing here. I'm going in with a little bit of mousse, but this is still a synthetic wig, so sometimes this mousse doesn't mold right and it doesn't flow right, but I don't know. Again, I was just doing something. Child, do what you want to do with your wispy baby hairs or your no baby hairs, or do whatever you want to do. So now I'm going in with a little bit of serum. This is a human hair blend. I really do like the texture of this wig, but a little bit of serum does definitely help with the snags. I was going to put the wig up, but then again, I was like, who am I fooling? I don't style these wigs because I never have time. And now I was trying to figure out if I want to do a middle part or a side part. Just ended up with like just a flip over. It's your wig, wear it how you like it, and this is my final result.
All right, y'all, let's talk about her. She is a whole vibe. Yes, yes. This wig is so pretty. This wig is so pretty. So I already gave you guys the specs. How do I feel about this wig? I love her. Add her to the cart immediately. This wig is so pretty. I want more colors. I absolutely do. And I'm really considering not selling this wig. As much as I'm quick to sell a wig, I think I want to keep this wig for pros and some cons. Cons. I don't really have any cons with this wig. I really don't, y'all. I really don't. This is hard to say, but I don't have any cons with this wig. Cons? I don't know what to tell y'all. There's really no cons for me. For me personally, I don't have any cons. Let's talk about some pros. So first of all, this lace is melting. It's looking fabulous. All right, so let's just talk about the install real quick. Y'all saw what I did. Just to touch on my install, I did use this Isha Daily Melt Spray. You guys know I use my bed head. I swear by it. But this is a contender. I think I like this. It didn't really give me any residue. I had to use like a little bit of alcohol to clean it up, but it's melting. Look. It's melted pretty good. I don't want to lift it up too much. I did go in with a little bit of Got2b glue gel right up under the lace because I like my wigs to melt, okay? But you can wear this wig glueless. You absolutely can. And I take my wigs off at night with a little bit of water. This is good. Now, the pros. I don't know where to start. I I really like this wig. This is a great everyday wig. I love the length. I love the color. I love the curls. This is reminding me of a lot of Outre wigs in the past, like Arlissa. Let's see, what else? What else was giving me this? I don't know. But this is giving me a lot of vibes of wigs in the past. But I feel like this is like an upgrade to it. First of all, we have a closure. It was very easy to put on. The lace is just right here, but I'm totally here for these closures. This is so easy for my beginners. You do have to melt it a little bit if you want to get the look I'm going for, but you can wear this glueless. People wear their wigs glueless all the time, so you can do that. Do what you need to do with your wig in your life. The texture of this wig. This is a human hair blend wig, okay? Meaning you're going to get a little bit of synthetic, a little bit of human hair. I like the texture of this wig. It's not giving me that synthetic-y feel. It's giving me human hair. It really is. It feels so good. It feels really soft. I was nervous with this red because I've reviewed a lot of red colors from Outre in the past. And when it was just straight synthetic, the texture of the reds seemed a little rougher to me.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I don't know. Y'all comment below if you've tried red Outre wigs and you feel like that. But this feels good, y'all. I really love the texture on this wig, guys. Like this is not tangling. I'm not really shedding on this wig. I'm not getting any snags. It's a beautiful, beautiful wig. Perfection. It's not one of those wigs that I feel is gonna get real dry on you right away. Like it's not one of those synthetic wigs that's gonna do that. Like this is a flowy wig that I feel like is absolutely gonna last. It's gonna hold up, y'all. It is. I feel like it was a little fuller to me on the stock card. It looked a little bit more like kind of kinky yacky or kinky textured, but I'm okay with this texture. This feels more like that natural yacky texture to me. Actually, this feels more like this feels more yacky. But it's good. It's a good weight. It's not too silky. It's not too thick. It's perfect. So I really do like the texture of this wig. I love the dimensions in here. You get some highlights. It says you're getting this FF2, meaning the face framing highlights in the front. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And then you're getting the darker red in the back. The way she looks all the way around. This is what she's looking like. And in the back.
Flashback.
Close the door for me, please.
CJ, close the door.
Turn down the volume.
And turn down the volume.
End of flashback.
I feel like this is a really good wig. This is a really good wig. This is a must-have. This is a must-have. You're gonna get stopped. As you guys see, I didn't really go in and part it. You can part your wig if you want, but I've been liking this. Just put the wig on and go look. I don't have any defined parting space, and look at that. The hairline looks good. I did tweeze it just a tad because y'all know me. I like to break it up just a little bit, but the hairline looks really good. It really is pre-plucked, okay? All I did is that first initial like row, I broke up some of that hair. That's all I did, y'all. And as you see, I went in with some kind of natural looking something here, baby hair. Don't judge me. This is so pretty. I absolutely recommend her. I don't have any cons with this wig. The cap feels good. If you see a lace closure wig, you need to jump on it. Absolutely. I want a natural color and I want that vanilla mocha color. I don't know. I like this wig. They're gonna be looking at you when you wear this wig, this red wig. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. This is why I tell you guys all the time, try colors. Try the color. You'll be so shocked. The results will be, and look how it just brightened my mood, like just with this red wig. Anyway, that's enough rambling. If you like anything in this video, I try to make these videos like giving you like these affordable looks, you know, on a budget. This color I didn't pay for in a salon. I love that. And this wig is like under $40. My rings, my little bootleg jewelry and stuff that I wear, I'm gonna leave all of that in the description. I'm gonna start leaving everything in my description box for you guys, and it's gonna be under shop my look, so it'll be everything in the video, because by the time I get back to these videos to edit, I totally forget where I got the shirt, what lipstick I was wearing, what eyeshadow, you know, things that I'm being asked. So I'm gonna leave a link below. And I also found this really pretty eyeshadow palette for like $6 from Amazon. So I'm leaving all of it. Don't you worry. It'll be linked down below. Just a reminder, I do resell some of my wigs on this channel. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but I do have a Macari, so make sure you follow me there. Follow me on my Like to Know It. That's where you'll see all my looks. Give this video a thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button. And until next time, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.